Exit interview. These interviews are a key practice for companies to get honest feedback from employees who are leaving. The main goal is to understand their experience and the reason behind their departure, which can help a company improve its work environment, management, and policies. However, the concept of exit interview can also be applied to students withdrawing from school, just as companies learn from departing employees. Universities can gain valuable insights from students who decide to leave. These interviews can help institutions understand why students are withdrawing, whether due to academic difficulties, personal challenges, financial issues, or dissatisfaction with campus life or resource. By gathering these feedbacks, universities can identify areas for improvement, such as enhancing student support surveys, adjusting academic program, or creating a more inclusive campus environment with ultimate goal of increasing student retention and success.
The decision to leave. This section is designed to understand the core reasons for students' withdrawal. The questions are open ended to encourage a detailed and honest response, which helps us to pinpoint specific issues or challenges the student faced.
Good evening, Miss. Good evening. Thank you for taking your time to meet with me today. I know this is a difficult conversation, but your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. We want to understand your experience and identify areas where we can improve for future students. Our goal is to make sure we're providing the best possible support, and your insights are a huge part of that. To begin, could you please share a little more about what led your decision to withdraw this time? My decision was because of personal issues that I am going through right now. I need to take a break to focus on the family and my health. I appreciate you sharing that. Was there anything the university could have done to better support you or help you continue with your studies? I don't think there was anything the university could have done. The reason for my leaving is not related to this. Thank you for clarifying that. It's helpful for us. You know that the reasons are personal and outside the university.
Academic experience. This category focuses on the student's experience in their classes and faculty. We want to assess if there were academic challenges, issues with specific programs, or concerns about the support provided by professors or academic advisors.
I'd like to shift our focus to your academic experience. Thinking about your courses and academic program, were there any specific aspects that you found particularly challenging or disappointing? No, I did not have any challenges with my classes or program. I enjoyed what I was studying. That's great to hear. We're glad you enjoyed your study. How would you describe your interactions with faculty and your academic advisors? Did you feel you received adequate guidance and support? My teachers and academic advisor were helpful and supportive. They gave me a lot of advices and guidance. I'm so glad to hear that you had a positive experience with your instructors and advisors. It's our area we really try to prioritize. Let's move on to campus life.
Student life and campus resource. This section explores the student's broad experience outside of academics. The questions aim to uncover issues related to campus environment, housing, student services, and other non-academic factors that may have influenced their decision.
Were there any campus resources such as counseling, health services, or financial aid that you used? How would you rate your experience with them? I did not use many of the campus resources, so I am not able to give a rate. I understand. Since you didn't use many, let's talk about your social experience. Did you feel a sense of belonging or community on campus? What, if anything, would have improved your social experience here? I think the school does a great job with student life. I made a lot of friends. That's wonderful news. Creating a strong community is very important to us.
Future plans and recommendations. This final category looks ahead to the student's next step and gathers their overall recommendations for the university. We want to know their plans and gather constructive feedback we can use to make meaningful changes.
Now let's talk about your future. What are your plans for the immediate future? Do you intend to return to your studies at some point? My plan is to work for a while, and I hope to be back to school in the future when I am ready. We'll be here if you decide to come back. Based on your experience, what is one piece of advice or recommendation you would give to the university to improve the experience for future students? My advice is to keep doing what you're doing. I had a great time here. I see. Thank you so much for your honest feedback. Your insights will be shared with the relevant departments to help us make positive changes. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Please know that if your circumstances change, we would be happy to discuss your potential return to the university. Thank you. I appreciate you taking the time to talk with me and for being so understanding. I hope to be back someday. Thank
This interview was conducted with a student withdrawing due to personal reasons. The student's response were consistently positive, indicating that the decision to leave was not a result of dissatisfaction with the university's academic programs, faculty, or social environment. The student expressed that their interactions with staff and faculty were supportive and that they had a positive overall experience. They did not utilize many campus resources, so feedback in that area was limited. The students' primary reason for withdrawal was external and personal, unrelated to their experience at the university.